Dolphin dreams in Marsa Alam, a day at the Dolphin House, Sha'ab Samadai. Morning, setting sail with wonder. I woke up to the soft golden light seeping through the curtains of my hotel room in Marsa Alam. The Red Sea just a whisper away. The air smelled faintly of salt and freedom. By the time I stepped outside, a crisp breeze teased my hair and a friendly driver was already waiting. The ride to the marina was smooth, the landscapes shifting between sand-hued silence and sudden flashes of palm groves. At the dock, a cheerful crew welcomed us aboard. Our boat gleamed under the Egyptian sun, sleek, promising, full of adventure. As we pulled away from shore, I leaned over the rail and let the wind kiss my face. I couldn't believe it. I was on my way to the legendary Dolphin House, known locally as Sha'ab Samadai. Midday, into the blue. Before we reached our destination, our snorkeling guide gathered us for a quick briefing. He explained the do's and don'ts when interacting with marine life, especially dolphins. His respect for the ocean was infectious. It made me want to be a better traveler, a better guest in this underwater world. And then there it was, a wide, serene, horseshoe-shaped reef shielding the lagoon from waves and wind. Sha'ab Samadai. As soon as I slipped into the crystal-clear water with my mask and fins, the silence was replaced by a vibrant world. Corals like underwater sculptures stretched in every direction. Tiny darting fish lit up the scene like confetti. Suddenly, I saw movement ahead, and there they were, dolphins, wild, free, effortless. Their presence was like magic. They swam near but on their terms. I didn't chase, just floated and watched in awe, my heart racing and tears stinging the corners of my mask. We had 2 long snorkeling sessions in this marine paradise, 45 minutes each. Yet I could have stayed forever. Between sessions, we lounged on deck, sipping chilled soft drinks and nibbling on snacks. The sun warm on my back, my heart full. Afternoon, one last dive. As the boat cut gently through the sea, we made our way to another stunning spot. Sha'ab Marsa Alam. The reef was teeming with life. Purple sea fans waved like dancers, clownfish peeked out from anemones, and parrotfish scraped at coral like little architects. I dove deeper and felt like part of this world, weightless, wordless, wildly alive. On board, feast and return. Back on board, the crew laid out a buffet lunch that smelled divine. Fresh flavors, cool drinks, and the rhythm of the waves. I felt like I was in a dream I never wanted to end. As the boat glided back to the marina and our van returned us to our hotels, I gazed out the window, still replaying every moment. I couldn't stop smiling. Memory of the day. That first moment a dolphin swam beside me, wild and free, was like time paused. A shimmer of pure joy in the heart of the Red Sea.